For today's video mga ka-phobia, grand charity nga pala natin sa Honda Click Black Mamba, gaganapin ito sa Barangay Dalangguiring, Urbistondo, Pangasinan, kaya excited na rin kami dahil pupunta ang ibang chapter dito sa Pangasinan, at andito na nga pala kami sa bahay ng aming founder dahil sabay-sabay kami pupunta ng venue.
So tall, I could give a high five to the pilot. Yeah, family tight, I keep small circle like island. Whoa, inbox full of contracts, I signed with a stylist. Yeah, blue faces blowing up like violet. Talk about the things they're gonna say when they see me, and when they see me, they just dap me up and say good to meet me. I keep it going, flowing over this and make it look easy. Easy for me to say I do this every day of the week. And me get to be the one they talk about when all said and done with it. I'm the feature that they want, but then they don't when I come with it. I'm a scene, still a seat, filler, blow up the numbers, and I ain't leaving no crumbs, so you know when I'm done with it. I'm a new school vibe with an old soul, oh so great. Stay paid by the boatload, don't go chasing a wave from a rowboat. Blow smoke right through the face of the ozone. Oh no, I got the bag, I'm back to just double it. I'm about to pop the top, I've been bubbling. They want the spot, but I do not cut them in. They tryna plot my drop, they been huddling. Feeling so tall, I could give a high five to the pilot. Yeah, family tight, I keep small circle like island. Whoa, inbox full of contracts, I signed with a stylist. Yeah, blue faces blowing up like violet.
I know a lot of people praying for my downfall, but the only thing that I'll be down for is being top 5, but like down 4. I'm down to earth like the ground floor, but I've been flying so long, I tend to ask people, what's the ground for? Man, I'm only headed up, see my flow volcanic, it's the fire I erupt. Heard the fans getting rowdy cause they haven't had enough. You know I'm running this.
Ito nga pala yung tarpaulin natin mga ka-phobia. Maraming salamat sa mga sumuporta sa ating charity. Tutulong pero di uurong, yan ang mga riders, nakapag-ride ka na nakatulong ka pa. Shesh, at dumating na ang unang club na Aguila Riders Club Ka-phobia, kaya pinakain muna natin sila. Kumuha rin kami ng videoke para buhay na buhay ang venue Ka-phobia. Ready na rin ang lahat ng ating mga certificate mga ka-phobia, kumpleto yan, walang labis walang kulang, shesh. At dumating na ang ating isang beneficiary. Pinakuha ko na rin pala ang top box ni Papa Jumps dahil paglalagyan ng pledge at may sticker pa tayo sa kanya, shesh. May aso din na masama makatingin, akala ko kakagatan ako. Si Papa McCoy lugaw agad ang binanatan, shesh, at ito si Papa din kasama ang kanyang asawa. Madami-daming lugaw kaya hindi magugutom ang ating mga riders, libre po lahat yan ka-phobia. At ito nga pala si Idol Lakwatserong Matanglawin, shout out. Nagsasalita na rin ang aming poging founder para magpasalamat sa mga dumalo ng charity, at ito din pala yung national secretary namin na si Mamita Ganda. Shesh, nagpapapicture na rin ang ating mga ka-riders ka-phobia dahil baka may importanteng lakad pa sila pagkatapos ng charity, at ito nga pala si Ron's Journey, nagbebenta ng per clothing, discounted na ka-phobia at may 100 pesos pa bawat item para sa beneficiary, shout out Sir Idol. At dumating na rin pala yung mga kasamahan ko sa One Pangasinan Riders Club. Maraming salamat sa suporta sa Black Mamba, shout out One Pangasinan Riders Club. Pinakain ko na rin sila ng lugaw dahil alam ko na masarap mag-charity kapag may pagkain, hahaha shesh.
Nice.
Maraming salamat din sa Pangasinan Volunteer Charity Riders Group. Ito nga pala yung mga kasamahan natin sa Pangasinan Chapter Ka-phobia, kahit pagod na dapat happy pa rin, hahaha shesh. At nagpalaro na nga ang aming sponsor na si classmate Alex Mohey from Secret Shop Bulihan Silang. Ang makakashoot sa half court ay pwede manalo ng premyo gaya ng long sleeve t-shirt, busina at 1,000 by Kuya JP Vlog. Kaya masasabi ko na grand charity talaga ito, shesh.
Shoutout kay Nico Popia. Yun, galingan mo pa sa pag-vlog ha. Hoping to see you soon ulit.